Friends, our Vedic scriptures and Puranas say that every age of creation has a specific period and a special change occurs at the end of each age. Currently, we are in Kali Yuga, and the changes that will occur in people's behavior, lifestyle, and beliefs at the end of this age have been explained in the light of scriptures. In today's video, we will know what the lifestyle and character of men and women will be like at the end of Kali Yuga. Characteristics of Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga is the fourth and last age. In the scriptures, this age is called the age of unrighteousness and unrest. It is known from the Bhagavata Purana and the Mahabharata that in this age, people will be more addicted to pleasures and their faith and religion will weaken. The Brahma-Vaivarta Purana says that in Kali Yuga, selfishness, greed, and attachment to sensual pleasures will increase among men and women. There will be no interest in religious rules and regulations, but they will only chase after their own happiness. The condition of women at the end of Kali Yuga. The scriptures mention that there will be a major change in the character of women towards the end of Kali Yuga. Aversion to family life. Women will be less interested in family life and family ties will weaken. Attachment to external beauty. They will consider external beauty and financial establishment as the main goals of life. Lack of religion and morality. They will not be interested in religious rituals or morality. Deterioration of relationships. Relationships will be self-centered. Social status and financial matters will be more important than love. The scriptures also say that women will not hesitate to resort to deception and trickery for their own interests. The condition of men at the end of Kali Yuga. According to the Puranas, the condition of men at the end of Kali Yuga will also be disappointing. Victim of greed. Men will not hesitate to do any kind of immoral thing for wealth and power. Separation from family. They will find it difficult to fulfill their family responsibilities. Unrest and anger. Their mind will be restless. Anger, jealousy, and quarrels over small matters will increase. Apostasy. Religion and spiritual knowledge will become irrelevant to them. Social change. At the end of Kali Yuga, there will be major changes not only in individuals, but also in society. The scriptures say, family breakdown. Family members will lose trust in each other. Discord in married life will increase. Increase in illegal activities. Crime, fraud and violence will increase in society. Money-dependent relationships. Human relationships will no longer be based on emotions. Rather, everything will be based on money and power. Denigration of religion and culture. Religious institutions and rituals will gradually lose their importance. Hope and revival. However, even at the end of this dark age, a new light of hope will be seen. According to the scriptures, at the end of Kali Yuga, the 10th avatar of Vishnu, Kalki Avatar, will appear. Kalki Avatar will reestablish religion on earth and end all sins. After that, Sati Yuga or the righteous age will begin on earth again, where people will follow the path of truth, religion and peace. Friends, from the changes in our society and lifestyle at the end of Kali Yuga that are mentioned in the scriptures, we can learn that there is still time to correct ourselves. If we follow the path of truth, religion, and justice, then this dark future can be avoided. What do you think? How much does this prediction of Kali Yuga match our current society? Don't forget to comment below. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.